Corruption Watch. Actually break kakra. Bani e monitor the ECOWAS system them. And I know on Corruption Watch. Yeah, but now see you jim. Said your TNF fata. But your Corruption Watch, you know the young fast that can see from Ghana Center for Democratic Development, the CDD Ghana, the Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition, the Ghana Integrity Initiative, the Africa Center for International Law and Accountability, and of course, Adum 106.13 FM. Shannon Soma Mr. Jumedi, your Corruption Watch, and it's sponsored by Danida. About your Corruption Watch, your social media handles, Facebook, Corruption Watch Ghana, Bamadina calls is here. After Twitter, Corruption Watch at CW Ghana, Instagram, Corruption Watch _GH, and of course your website, stopcorruptionghana.org. After Uber to me, Afrayan, that's Corruption Watch 055 220033 055 220033. Your WhatsApp number is the same. Hashtag Wanamoni, hashtag Ghana Bread. I was saying the journey to forced retirement. The immediate past auditor general, indeed, Daniel Yao Domelevo, last Wednesday in Okoye, Eko Danya Miasi. And one of the two just said, His Excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado, then you two Abaman before you be swearing in, former President Mahame Befimo appointing Nado through Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe. A friend or say, hold on. Or hold it up, Uncle Tia, His Excellency, no say, go for it, go and take that job. Into your banner sena, and a day, I sorry them, and Oko Kandia said Dama Ghana for Akona Home Jimmy. And I pay Mesaka, Dr. Indeed, Asante, CDD Ghana, were joining me. Dr. Asante Bimakwa, I'm just a baby Abokodi.
Monio,
Wana money, Yamebe. I got the chop am yafu. It is well. It is well. Bibi abekoye. And the observer and your dog can quite a buyer. Mommy asre. Mommy asre. Mommy Yamebe. It is well. And your dog can quite a buyer quickly. Mommy introduce you. Mommy Kwafo na afei. Doc Makala, me just a baby Abokodi. Auntie Margaret. Mary. Mommy Pacho, mommy full name no. I dear me wahan in your silence here. Pacho mommy full name.
Mary Awelana Ada.
Great. Mommy Mary. Mommy middle name here. Awelana
Ada.
Wow, but you know what Awelana no. There. Wow. Me nyankopon ye. Wow. Awelana bajo kasabe. Na frongo. Wow. Me nyankopon ye. Oyepa na doye wo. Anyway, the Santa Manifa started the journey to the forced retirement. But at what point? And Mohu said there is an agenda against them level.
Yo, what do you mean that say? I think that around 2018, we don't share maybe before that.
Yeah.
2017, early 2018. So the Molovo it may be. So normally, no, a buy the sound, and you'll be brave to be happy.
Yeah.
Even a car, a buy dinner. Because of records keeping near there, a cry na obi the beer frame. The car to the car. Because I buy for former auntie or buy the first more or the a car amount for say a buying day for new government. I think in total a year about 5.4 billion Ghana cedis.
Okay.
And or disallow I think almost half of it. 80 a buying born about to say no and share side mano still you should that and pay serious attention to it, but the share some of the claims that I do honoma you want to cry and so the bill say I buy the car we also the I'm a bed to car
yeah.
And so when him say, "Dear, gap be
Jim FM
braba no ye shede nim so munim ni aside the bill no kwa asa call it ni obebre na nkofo ye enotimi ye ya na titi abai but you who read a friends the president state of the nation address 2018 from Abaso said ejimo ye ma yi omo shebo se omo be hwehwe mu ma kese omo a omo yes ade ni atwoma so
okay
so I say no so yeah sheda ntife eti that was obia nim say papa we no matter reservations are not in conform was ebia Mahama appointing no last minute near the ebia on the survey
Jim FM
yeah public service no but the Juma yeah immediately or buy said they know the Juma immediately obia who say papa no
abeboy Juma
wa so ba be Juma and there and your party asem and I did
but clearly their course no their who say calculated agenda.
So from 2018 and now there was a lot of issues with the board chair Professor Diajman, and mainly one of the first issues that came was the Toyota friends saying purchases of Toyota vehicles for audit service.
Yeah.
A very big issue because I say the government consulted board on I think it was either World Bank and audit service eventually he just went to audit Toyota Ghana for which was much cheaper. It was established it was for value for money near there.
Yeah.
Almost were breaching the cap, so there are all sorts of issues. But the big issue that came around 2018, Emmanuel Eddie petition called president was that he was saying, the board chair was interfering with the Auditor General. Because Auditor General there, Constitution the Mawu to me to audit the public accounts of Ghana. I say auditor you may be a independent job. Ultimately, auditor, the Juman to me, Concoja can change say, yes. Even where the president recommended a year, the president cannot say, Conaco audit. Or very recommended say, be a person audit this organization, another organization. It's up to the friend saying the Auditor General to go and do that. It won't be interfere with his work.
Right.
But the problem that was happening was that at the same time, Cabinet are setting up a Cabinet audit committee. Almost more auditing some transactions from the Mahama time.
Yeah.
And on my year, the current board chair of the audit service, secretary to the committee. The people that the auditor is going to audit, the board chair, secretary to the committee. You see,
Jim FM.
My initiative audit of some company.
Yeah.
We're a state organization, and then you say, but say it's my responsibility to do that audit. There was all this clash back and forth that was going on. It least led to the petition. And I'm also board chair for also board and also send a petition to president.
Yeah.
Say. Now he's not respecting the board and all of those things. And our president to say Mukaya say on ship. Obviously there was no conclusion to that particular matter because the entire report to be said they resolve all of those things. And of course, and then this Kroll Associate matter came. The Kroll Associate matter related to the same problem now about board chair because board chair committee now or more years are forensic audit. Omoko high Kroll Associates to help them with
Jim FM.
And now Mr. Demlovoko audit of Ministry of Finance. And almost a Kroll Associate $1 million.
Yeah.
For worker, they couldn't produce the information at the time of the audit. And I'll say, say they have to show, say audit there, amount of time.
Exactly.
The there was no responses around that time. And no, or say okay, fine, we're closely auditing no surcharge the
senior minister
and 4 officials of a Ministry of Finance. And a big issue.
Yeah.
So they go back and forth. Later, they said friends and the national security matter. I say obey inspected documents separately near there. They call court. The senior minister asked, which is what you're supposed to do.
Yeah.
You have said, not call court. Or call court, no. High Court say, okay, national security information there. That's all the Supreme Court. Of course, Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court say, and July 1st, court inspected documents. 29th June was a letter.
Proceed on leave.
Uncle leave. So the first thing you ask yourself, say, it is since the Domlevo started Juma 2017, 2018, 2019. Board now almost say, almost making sure some apply the rule of law. No, or man, take that say Uncle leave. Obia amba obia Jumo say, oh, we will go leave. It's every year, Bia, Obia leave near the no. Amba
Obia who said,
oh. Mr. Domlobo won't leave into SO leave, one leave, ever force one leave. Omuchenya 2020 no at the time now July 1st now also a inspection no and Omukai said I don't leave.
They also leave.
Immediate effect from July 1st on starting the leave for 169 days. Then first it was 123.
Yeah.
And no letter to president said he doesn't think said the way apply law no constitutional in terms of any so kofobu fu the then of zenia for 2020 169 well at
the time and there was also inspected document.
They say that is the same day in Sokono and Soko inspected documents no that day no the person who was appointed as acting
Jim FM
Echo say I expect to say BBI okay. They go back to the High Court. High Court say documents no honum to justify the expenditure into any case no search charge no they are dismissed.
They are dismissed.
So question I say Busa say enforcement of leave Mr. Demlovo pe and the public service honum it is or no na any abraces enforce leave no the circumstances now so leave no was enforced now I say na system
really
obi ko back down kasa same way ka say na why I dey say nyem kola we nyem kola bia o ka na say bia chiro mo e bit bia fa say when you break power say the only reason why you are doing this is to uphold the rule of law. Cannot be.
No, but what would be the reason?
It cannot be. Well, it's obvious that whatever clashes, whatever issues that he was having with the board, the presidency sided with the board. It says they are quite hard. But the idea in civil society also a for many reasons.
Okay. Yes.
The first thing is that you see, they be a time radio, so you fear you can't see a pen for no matter or mine no more a year juma or mine. It is so be a banner so in a kuma.
Yeah.
Particular circumstances of the revolt appointed or in a kuma, no cassette. In spite of everything, be the me juma. I'm a bankrupt me.
Juma fair.
Now treating us because of a soil in a juma. It's very unfair. A signal now send it to public service and say there be and unless say touch don't touch my anointed.
Touch not my anointed.
Obey me you be asked but
touch you be a makoba one when nobody.
But yeah public service you build any institution like that. You build this society be like that. That is a big problem. The second problem is the Nipei surcharge here no you see secure recover here and show say and he continued along that path now be changing public service and the way are people conduct themselves when they are using public money. And our keteli because of course or hiding. Because of that, how can you come and say you are still fighting corruption? And another point. And the most important point is that yes. Say President Mika said our power to send the head of an independent governance institution like Auditor General home. Say be a machine aso.
Yeah.
It's uncle fie na uncle make a cry na suspended na. Na constitution e be a person turn the constitution upside down. Because with me yes sir. Any wait me a catch Chief Justice. Some call me. Chief Justice here election petition. We catch it Chief Justice
proceed on leave.
Proceed on leave. And an electoral commission proceed on leave because me na me appoint you and I may decide to say Okrano or so that is the most serious.
And to bad precedents have been set.
It's a bad precedent.
Okay.
It's a very bad precedent.
Me last baby, we are joining a high Adum 106.3 FM. Corruption Watch. Share the Auditor General immediate pass. Dr. Daniel Domelevo and the Wakona Humi GMO. And Dr. Kojo Asante, Director for Advocacy and Policy Engagement at Ghana Center for Democratic Development, and I would say in Ghana. Meko, Madame Mary Awe Lana Nidinia Midepa Ada, or a programs manager, Ghana Integrity Initiative. And Mary, I recall about 500 CSOs and NGOs will launch a campaign, bring back Domelevo near dear, but at the end of the day, more campaign, Uncle Siaga, were you that disappointed?
I told me that's baby. You're very disappointed. Near, yep, Percy a bayer, and not, yeah. You
Yeah.
Now you would say, so what shall I buy a kua? Nipa way to my bamu. Bebrina na fedie. A bedroom maybe I won't say Obi ba be moi say ni o kan ye ntia ya hwe ni ya ye dwuma kra no ebe de ebe boye na civil society no ye fi say aban amanyokuo beba amanyokuo ebeko na aban edwuma yefo I from public servants na civil servants no one year what da and there was what to me ye we dwuma independently, without any fear or favor. And now acquire
Jim FM.
A responsibility on civil society. Say, your precious says, Semi Becca. Now, senior Dr. Santi and no hand
right.
Yet, per se, civil servants, who say Nipa, we away, Juma, and this would be J. Jow, I did be a Nipa di Babiano. Oji ya na wa sign say dia minister na dia banti e bia we efi presidency nti me sign a eyi sa say charge and disallowance regime na boa yi pa na senke to aso a me gidi say nne no yi public servant bia eni beda no ho so say enye se me ye no ma bia sara ekeke na fe so aban Ghana amanfo nyina so ebenya ho benefits. Say sika enka yebeje jamuma na kokoko ne ani se kro no beba ye nyina ye nchen na se ye kwan me ye di ye di aye kwan me ye nyina ye nya na sa sipiti so na ye di sia ye nyina nso enya bi akọ enti eba na sa no civil society ye kan ye hu bo mu se ye beka sa se mi ma Ghana manfo nyina ate na wo hwe ne ye tumi ye na. And when they say Rebecca, we would educate, inform, and ensure that we are empowering people. And one year we mobilize into, we brought all civil society together under the umbrella of the coalition, a civil society coalition against corruption. Now, Osha Nipa Dodoana and our organizations Dodoa are that's a great number.
Yeah, 500.
Talking about the issue, it wasn't easy. Number one of the things we did was to eloquently express these views at a press conference. Now, OTA, there was so much discussion. We sustained the discourse. And now can say still and on a come once a week.
But
yeah, no say yen san come but as some I ever see a canoe, ye can
right
now a day I say that she be no in chima. Ebe kai say maybe a assembly by a ne canoe. Civil society for sorry jinai e can say sa ye twa esa e de ko everybody enti obi ka on ka say civil society ye hu ye ne ye din na ho ebe ne twemu ye de ya kan asem.
Okay, mami bisa o and say mo kan asem by the end of the day presidency and directive na still proceed on leave a call saying that as you affected more relationship with the presidency.
Oh, sir, I did and one I cannot. Yeah, to be no, any yaka. Then, secondly, president and so constitution man to me be near open or to me. I can't ask them. But you know, you want to say, I affect your relationship in a negative way.
Okay.
Yeah, you money, yeah.
Jim FM.
Also, in his own way, dispensing of his mandate given to him by the people of Ghana. And yeah, Juma, and no interest say, me know I dream Coben cry. Naturally say, what be my town for your sanity? Me assure say, the various interventions are only two dry. Now, maybe since 2017, on the Shiani idea, just say, I say, I told you where for the end. They say, I was saying, be best sign to one and one. The opportunity to dialogue and discuss with him.
Right.
But Shada and Tonso say, you say, meetings near on my friend at Omoba. And today, no interest affected.
Right.
Obia Meka said, near my in the issues of space. He said, Juma Fa or Bepe, Quine say. Yeah, can be or better rubbish, but no credit. What the chef kata, they are a baby.
But I said, for Mary Awelana Adai, Programs Manager, Ghana Integrity Initiative. My member dogs, the dog. I recall saying in 2009, ABC, former president, the late John Evans Fifiata Mills, a catcher, now the board chair of our service. So proceeded on 264 days leave. And they accumulated. Rebecca said the same thing here. So a precedent was set
at the
there.
time now, then was the person happy?
But the fact that when you're happy, you see the regime. But
no, this is important. Say at that point, they weren't happy. I don't really recall the circumstances, but I know that obviously even if it was the MPP then, they were not happy that was the case.
Yeah.
I think, sir, and we have a party for, in particular, no more a ESR argument, Democracy. We cannot get away from the fact that you are multi-party democracy. We be call. But say a building institutions a bit must have a public interest now. There are definitely going to be people they have to overlap. An auditor general have to do their job, whether party A or party B. The rules, our constitution has set it to make sure say auditor general so I am from so be bit me just like we electoral commission or whatever it's there. It is auditor general so I am from so be because obi ntimi nka nchem say domlovo dem from so no it is a ono pe any selected say ono the first league na or deserve say
it was all called
as he apply to him there be it's a party for say you cannot in any say why do you say president obeba no Obia ye more public service bia eso no appointing so appointing no dia and yes over chrono or time president and as want to mean adwuma no and I want to mean any adwuma no serious society, no serious democracy or governance system can work like that. It is sad here now. Wait your on kaya home. It's because of that. It's frustrating. Ube yusu yeah taxpayer sika idea my bride idea amount.
Yeah.
Ube yeah to undermine somebody so that at the whole period now yeah jumano who undermine on what say juma so that you will feel comfortable say minipa na sisi or now be so for about say the way I you we no so meeting baby efa yen ko babia enti eno de yen komo say na edi
okay
say eno say pese yisa democracy ejina de no efa yen ko babia.
Doc, I recall say about 9 CSOs file rate was Supreme Court almost challenging President Directive to Dom level, that is June 29th, you know. So that case na kosi say
Supreme Court and Frey. There's been, I think recently, say Processary also FILB. Or not file first, and I file later. And I later never see a consolidated cases, no, because they are around the same issues. I think yesterday, no, say, or catching a lawyer, someone withdraw. Because some of the reliefs now are shown. I see I moved. Because we got a chain, assembly. I could see every year in some.
More file case, you know, month, date, year, ben.
Oh, they say more file
July, October. When I'm file last year. And I say case, yeah, they are more in bed actually.
Yeah, file, you know, it goes beyond Mr. Domlobo.
Okay.
Because there were very important issues, like for example, as far as we understand, the Constitution does not create the position of a deputy auditor general or an acting or another auditor general or maybe designating as acting. There is one auditor general. So auditor general no only one might so appointed from 80 say president. I said the president Akache chief justice said go on leave, no appointed acting chief justice. You either have to appoint, it's a substantive position.
Okay.
80, all those matters, the same matters about whether or not or administrative control, all these type of institutions are set up under the Constitution. So because of your appointing authority, obey me suspend, obey me trauma, obey me say any other. Yes, it's not that the Constitution does not grant him that power.
Okay.
He is saying that the Constitution grants him that power. The Supreme Court has to decide. Even though we had beliefs about the actions that have been taken against Domnobono, it goes beyond the other reliefs that are dealing with an interpretation of the Constitution for the future. The still pursue.
Mati, I was joining a corruption watch, Shana Oguswa Utieno, Dr. Kojo Asante, Executive Director for Advocacy and Policy Engagement, Ghana Center for Democratic Development. My member also now, it's appropriate to say, be appointed former Auditor General as the chair of the Audit Service Board.
Under normal circumstances, nunca enshada bonesa, but then
Jim FM.
Me kase enshada bonesa trese. O share a jumaku bi no mote say gan the GES near the GES Council. O share mo council no so there is usually as one of the key members, the former Director General near the enka for capacity purposes there enka enshada enye bonesa eda ne kwamu say nipa waye adwuma no na onimu dina waye adwuma ye nim no wa ba abodi so bebrebe sa no nka obeboa kra ma adwumadie na yeden akọ ohwe esro die say under strategy no mbeboa na nipa ye de na aba no wetumi aye adwuma no ma na akọyie. Now, so no say, oh, share a Fred being so now. A touch maka cratch, say, Nipana, ye can someone then. Nipano, or ye obia, and maybe a bakery muno. A baby Eddie edi na nyonyo no enka this time no ono so yes ye de na ba nti ono so fi so wenya opportunity a ono so odi obi because aban na enini di nyonyo no sa aban na ni pa so ye too sa ni pa ma de ba nti the fact that Mr. Domelovu was appointed by a
different regime and party.
And Auditor General, so even though it say President said, oh, on your own position.
Jim FM.
What you say? I come here, you say, yes, share Dana, yet they, Papa, and by you say, Omra no metra on Shadama Papa, Nejuma, and Yadeka. That is the impression. So, ethically, in this instance, no, I say, I hear baby, I will be sa. Now, Ocean, someone so a PA, Dr. Santiago Abu Biswa, Chese, and under normal circumstances, ya Ocean GS, yeah. Most of the council members are appointed by the substantive president, and then the minister too is there. And Omuye Juma, Omuye Juma boom, Omuti Kopenkro. And ensure that there's no friction. And in these instances now we have potential issues of a conflict but I was say to me and Osha and Samayaka for the past 4 years. Auditor General in 2007 I have found Yakana Samsa for the past 4 years. Productivity purposes in there was said. Yet in a differently. It is done in other places. It succeeds because it is the regime which appoints those people, and they have similarity of thoughts, homogeneity of purpose, and they go on to do good stuff. And the Obibeka say, then I ignore baby na ignore. The entire ignore baby, the individual, and then also the regime issues. And think I just had but in this instance, we thought that was in a way the impression now it creates say the number say even though you're foul but you obi abaso be choco no why you na
because yes oba oye president na so oba for
Jim FM
say who appoint you background no dia and
the Zanya dia betumi na ye adwuma
also ebi 4 years pen over bedi if you obey den and the building any institution say obe take obe spending all your time so obe spend you bia na time ben go for benya time e adwuma ama on mine no because remember said the only reason you are there you say ebi a wa ko move to fie bia wa to foforo na o change we painting near the deal who by 4 years and I say let's say 8 years no kra no we go
Look, but you're born a tough one. You share the age or they retire vis-a-vis the Senate number so confirming and they say how do we reconcile that?
I can't say advising to say I feel say administrative injustice. Be a monko shraj and koko because a very simple matter. Me know why who are doing FM.
Yeah.
HR friend say oh
Jim FM.
Oh date be yeah. First one I'm the buy now there was a mistake. Second one need to be corrected later. Or see there be me decide say first one now the buy and I'm in my fa. Now so my date of birth the other now who determine say my date of birth. Maybe reasons in here. Maybe say we be a bit me establish it. Or see there be as I'm now Canadian, I answer sorry. No cry inadmissible documents no crowd but in fact you decided you're interesting. You call Thanksgiving, you know. Also for this say ne mame you did time or ne mame war no 1st June 1961 and I buy war no 1st June 1960 because I buy it determines what they say. It's a very simple matter. Me and papa for many years. Obeka say oh yeah war no 37 and not 38. They say because not sure.
Yeah.
Obeka say oh yeah can I say that be they say. When the Google thing eba you know and no near friend kwaku it who is a den ya eba fall say 37.
That's enough.
It's a very simple matter but So Obia means or get rid of you.
Yeah.
And your
get it.
About date of birth.
Dr. Martin Medasibebre, Medasipa, for Dr. Kojo Asante, Director for Advocacy and Policy Engagement, the Ghana Center for Democratic Development, CDD Ghana. Aunt Mary, who final comment now? Yes, sorry, so.
Pacho Medasipi, Ghana, Amamunu, Yenina, dear, say, Naya, and Yaya, a bedu baby no. Omayumo Yabema politicians no I divide the public service now. It is a dangerous precedent.
Right.
And they say yeah mahun crime cranty. Me civil society and a media ya sudi say yabe shena yabe tuana mo na ya maye you are you na ya kasa. Maye say nipa be ye.
Okay.
Maye say obi owa ebie kra na ya ye obibi senior media for na say mo can violence ni ade nyina eba but then say o man yi betumi agina ebetumi afa na ntuma pefra na agina ya sudi na ye de ya fa so ye be ye obi bia ye be finance auditor general bia no ye de ye hwe say ye be support nipa no ma we di ni djuma na akoso.
Martin Medasibebre, for Mama Mary Awela na Ada, Programs Manager, Ghana Integrity Initiative. National Mami say Corruption Watch, Yenina Yasudi, Timbacho, Bikoso, Obesa Kebi, Obetimi Afra Corruption Watch, Hotline 055 22 00033. No answer na your WhatsApp number to bet me a WhatsApp me bacho. Yem fast my partners in Ghana Center for Democratic Development, CDD Ghana, Ghana Integrity Initiative, GII, Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition, GACC, Adom FM, of course, Africa Center for International Law and Accountability, ASLA, and Asida Kesiena and Koma Danida, the main sponsor.